Commenting an analysis is a very common practice in many companies. Often this is done in Excel, providing insights on plan deviations or other mission-critical items. But instead of sending countless Excel files via mail, you can also do your comments in Power BI, providing additional context to your interactive reports and strengthen collaboration on data. Let's see how this is done. In order to take advantage of the commenting feature in Power BI, you have to use the Power BI Cloud service. Currently, it is neither available in Power BI Desktop nor is it in the Power BI Report server. Commenting is available on both your dashboards and reports. By default, it is enabled. In case it's not, you can activate it by simply switching the toggle in the dashboard or report settings. If you do not have access to that setting, you may ask a colleague with sufficient admin rights. Although commenting can be done on both dashboards and reports, I will only deal with comments on reports. At least commenting on dashboards works exactly the same, so everything I will show you should apply. Comments are available in two scopes: the scope of the page and the scope of a single visual. Either by hitting the comment button at the top or in the ellipsis of a specific visual, you can fire up the comment pane to the right. The comment pane for the page shows all the comments for both the page and all underlying visuals, while the comment pane for the visual only shows those related to that specific visual. You can simply add a comment by entering your text and hitting the post button. By the way, comments on dashboards and reports are strictly separated. Visual level comments on your dashboards do not show up on the same visual in your report and vice versa. You can also write an answer to an existing comment to initiate a discussion. Just hit reply and you're good to go. By using the add symbol, you can address comments to specific colleagues. This can be single users or mail groups. They will receive a mail notification on the new comment, providing a link to the report. Sharing insights in this way makes it necessary to use paid Power BI licenses in some way, meaning Power BI Pro, Premium per user, or having your report backed by premium capacity. In case the user you addressed does not have access rights for the report, they will be led through an authorization process. Whenever you click a comment, the old filter context is restored to which the comment refers. For visual scope comments, the respective visual will also be highlighted. In this way, everyone will be able to understand the analysis to which your comment contributes. You can delete your own comments by clicking the trash can symbol. As far as I know, workspace admins are also able to delete any comment as long as it is outside of a Power BI app. I hope this will help you to provide even more value to your organization. Don't forget to support this channel by subscribing and hit the bell for getting notified on all my new videos. Would be happy to see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay safe, goodbye from Hamburg.